Ooh, hi everyone, welcome back to Gazzi's ABCs. Today we're going to do the letter L. So, let's make a big L because this is a little small. Let's try and use our arms. So we use the one arm for the bottom and go, yeah, there's the second bit. So as you can see, it's an L. Good job. Do you know what animal begins with the letter L? Oh, this animal is big and scary, but it's also the king of the jungle. Yeah, that's it. It's a lion. Roar. A lion has a big mane on its neck like this. Lions don't purr very loudly, but I like to think they do. So let's go. L, L, L. Lion. L, L. Lion. L, L. L, L, L. So L, L, L. L, L, L. Then let's do that mane. Lion. Lion. What's that? What noise does a lion make? Yeah. Good job. Let's do it 3 times. Let's do it 2 times softly, then 1 time really loud. Okay? So let's do it again. L, L, L. L, L, L. Lion, lion. Awesome. Should we do it all together? Yeah? Are you ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1. L, L, L. L, L, L. Lion, lion. Awesome work, guys. I love lions, and I'm sure you love all animals too. I'll see you next time. I'm Gazzi. Bye-bye.